If you're doing some home improvements, here are the instructions of how to move and install an alarm door contact. To remove a contact, undo the 2 screws on each contact. On one side there are wires, the other side is just a magnet. There will be 2 or 4 wires connected to the contact. Unscrew these. At this point, your alarm may activate. Enter your 4-digit code to silence. To allow you to continue to use the alarm system, either omit the zone or twist the 2 wires together to loop out the zone, so the alarm always thinks the door is closed. To install the contact, do everything in reverse. Please note, there are 4 wire connectors on the back of an alarm contact. The 2 connectors that are the alarm connectors are the 2 silver connectors. If you want a professional engineer to fix your alarm system, get in touch with the Smart Security team.